A smart cookie. I could have been somebody, my mother says and sighs. She has lived in this city her whole life. She can speak two languages. She can sing an opera. She knows how to fix a TV. But she doesn't know which subway train to take to get downtown. I hold her hand very tight while we wait for the train to arrive. She used to draw when she had time. Now she draws with a needle and thread, little knotted rosebuds, tulips made of silk and thread. Some days she would like to go to the ballet. Some days she would like to see a play. She borrows opera records from the public library and sings with velvety lungs powerful as morning glories. Today, while cooking oatmeal, she is Madame Butterfly until she sighs and points the wooden spoon at me. I could have been somebody, Esperanza. You go to school. Study hard. That Madame Butterfly was a fool. She stirs the oatmeal. I look at my comrades. She means Azora, whose husband left, and Yolanda, whose husband is dead. Got to take care of all your own, she says, shaking her head. Then out of nowhere. Shame is a bad thing, Keeps you down. You want to know why I quit school? Because I didn't have nice clothes. No clothes, but I had brains. Yup, she says, disgusted, stirring again. I was a smart cookie then. What Sally said. He never hits me hard, she said. Her mama rubs lard on all the places where it hurts. Then at school she'd say she fell. That's where all the blue places come. That's why her skin is always scarred. But who believes her? A girl that big, a girl who comes with her pretty face all beaten and black, can't be falling off the stairs. He never hits me hard. But Sally doesn't tell about the time he hit her with his hands just like a dog, she said. Like if I was an animal. He thinks I'm going to just run away like his sisters who made the family ashamed, just because I'm a daughter. And then she doesn't say. Sally was going to get permission to stay with us a little, and one Thursday she came with a sack full of clothes and a paper bag of sweetbread her mama sent. And would have stayed too, except when the dark came, her father, whose eyes were little from crying, knocked on the door and said, "Please come back, this is the last time." And she said, "Daddy," and went home. Then we didn't need to worry. Until one day Sally's father catches her talking to a boy, and the next day she doesn't come to school, and the next. Until the way Sally tells it, he just went crazy. He just forgot he was her father between the buckle and the belt. "You're not my daughter. You're not my daughter." And then he broke into his hands.